Hey guys, let's eat. Let's eat, let's eat, let's eat. Yeah. Hey guys, let's eat. Hi guys. How are you guys? What are you guys up to? So basically it's 2 a.m. in the morning and I'm going to eat ramen eggs with cheese. Yeah guys, basically the place is very quiet, the light is very dim because I don't want to wake the kids. What are you guys up to? Probably asleep. But I'm feeling a little hungry, so we're gonna dig right in. But first we need to pray. Heavenly Father, please bless my food, my subscribers, in Jesus' almighty name. Amen, amen, amen. So guys, if you're new to my channel, this is your first time viewing one of my videos, please like, share, subscribe. Also turn in post notification to get my uploaded videos. As soon as I post, you will get it. It's amazing, guys. To join my family, also you need to subscribe. Subscribe. So yeah, basically. So let's just eat. Let's just eat, guys. Just eat. So in this bowl, I have 4 packs of ramen. I have some eggs. I'm now going to add some cheese into my ramen, guys. So let's just get right in. It's super hot, guys. So I was really looking to kill some time before we start eating this ramen. It's really hot. So now it's cheesy ramen noodles. Hot. Guys, so you can leave me a comment. Let me know how you like your noodles. How you like your ramen noodles. But I like my ramen different how I like with some cheese, egg, sausage. Basically, you can do anything you want with a ramen. That's just a good thing about it. Sorry about that. I think that's the best time to do a video, guys. The dog's not barking, the kid's not up, nobody is up, and you can enjoy your ramen. Oh. So I think the cat now this cover. I am here. Guys, look at this cheese in this ramen. It's so cheesy. This was a really good idea. because this ramen is good. Look at that steam, guys. It's hot. Mm. Mm. Okay, so I took out my tongue ring. I broke my teeth on this side, so I had to remove it from my dotish. Stupid. It fucked up my teeth, guys. So now I have no teeth there. And it's what happened is on top of my gum up there was getting really sore because when I sleep at night, guys, according to how you sleep, your ring is be rubbing, so it just bruised the surface. So I decided to take it out, and I was biting, like on this side, biting something, and my teeth broke, and it got worse. So I had to remove it. But I still love my ring, and I'll still be wearing it, guys. It's so good. That's hot. Shit. Guys, did you see that? Oh, shit. Guys, good thing I didn't have on any eyelashes tonight. Oh, that got me good. It's so cheesy. Guys, I have to be careful. That went in my eyes. Guys, look how hot this is. Look at the steam. Mm. Mm. So good, guys. Better than I thought. That was hot. So hot it is, guys. It's so good. I'm having Minute Maid mango. It's so good. Guys, so cheddar is up. He got up. I have to go. Thanks so much for having me, guys. This ramen was the bomb. But I don't want to wake the rest of the boys. Chan was twisting and turning, so we're gonna wrap up this video. But this was really good. I hope you enjoyed it. See you guys with another amazing video. So we ate most of it, guys, and this is what we had. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, leave a thumbs up on every video you watch, guys. Also a comment, let me know how you like your ramen or what you would like me to try next.